Hello there. Today I am making a video on the different types of siding on manufactured homes. Okay, let's just jump right in. First things first, vinyl siding. It's been around for quite a long time. It's the oldest siding in manufactured housing. It's the wavy vinyl siding. It's been over 60 plus years that the siding's been going on for. It's very durable. It's inexpensive. One thing about the vinyl siding that you should pay attention to is the grades. Okay, so you have roughly 3 different types of grades. The first one is the builder's grade. Okay, so that's roughly 0.35 to 0.40 millimeters thick. Okay, it's not your best choice for grades of vinyl siding. If you have any type of yard work that you're doing, if you're mowing your lawn, for instance, and a rock goes through and even hits that vinyl siding, it might actually put a hole in it. So if you are looking for vinyl siding for your manufactured home, I would definitely take a look at the residential grade. Okay, your residential grade's between 0.44 and 0.46 millimeters. It's definitely thicker than that builder's grade. And then you finally have the premium, which is over 0.52 millimeters. Okay. Next thing is that fiber cement. It's a cement based. It looks like wood, but it's not. It's a mixture of cement fiber. It's a mixture of sand and also some wood particles. So all that comes together. The majority of it is cement based, and it's also known as hardy plank or cement plank. And it's really good because it is durable, and you don't really have to worry about warps all that much with the cement board. It's also fire resistant, very fire resistant. A couple drawbacks to the cement based board is it's heavy, really heavy. So if you have an older manufactured home, I would look for other forms of different sidings. It's just really heavy, and it's expensive as well. So take that in consideration whenever you're looking at cement-based siding. Smart panel is the next one. It's the most common. The majority of factories in the United States that build manufactured homes, they're going to go with the smart panel because it is the best choice in my opinion. Smart panel's got a wind rating of over 200 miles an hour. Okay, it can withstand golf ball size hail. It's incredibly durable. I know in my own experience that whenever I was working in a manufactured housing factory, whenever I was the one that was installing the siding, smart panel siding, and we have to route the windows out, you typically have to take a hammer and full on 3 full contact blows in the window area in order to get a hole through this. So smart panel siding is extremely durable, and it's also got a rating of over 50 years. So you should be well equipped to handle whatever if you have smart panel siding on your home. These 3 things are your typical what you're going to see in the majority of manufactured housing, but there's also other things that you can do on site most of the time. So let's say that you wanted to do some stuff on site. You could stucco. Okay, so stucco is energy efficient, it's fire resistance, low maintenance, and rot resistance. There's a lot of benefits to stucco. It is expensive though, and it has a very beautiful look to it. I know you've seen stucco houses before, site-built stucco houses. The majority of site-built homes almost look stucco around my part of the nation anyways. Wood siding, okay, it's strong, easy to install, and it's got that classic look, okay? It is a little heavier, and it is quite expensive. So keep that in mind when you're looking at wood siding. Stone or brick. It's actually the fake stone. It's not legitimate stone. It's not brick or anything like that. What you're going to have is that it's going to be pretty thick as far well, not necessarily pretty thick, but you're talking about very thin, and it's going to go over it's going to go on the exterior of the home. Okay. It's got an element of beauty to it, and it lasts a very long time. I'm talking about 40 to 50 years that it should be able to last you from that standpoint. So it's something to think about if you ever wanted to do stone or something like that. Metal. So you don't see metal very much, and it's got a sort of a it's got the same look to it as vinyl siding would. It's got that waviness to it. It's very, very durable. It's metal, for crying out loud. It's a non-issue whenever it comes to bugs, fire, rot, and rust too. So huge benefits to metal. I don't see metal very often whenever it comes to siding on manufactured homes. Typically because it's very hard to work with, right? So if you're going to get vinyl, it's a lot easier to work with, bend, mold, those types of things, and it's heavy. It's really, really heavy. So that was, you know, the some of the things that you can look into. I don't have it on here, but you can also look into getting real stone or real brick on the siding for your manufactured home, and the majority of factories can help you prep for that. So if you're ever wondering if you could do something like that, just ask. If you go to talk to a salesperson, whenever it comes to manufactured homes, just ask, hey, can we prep because I'm looking to do, say, stone or brick on the side of my home, on the front door side, or whichever side, or I'm looking to do metal, I'm looking to do wood siding, stucco, and the factories most of the time know exactly what to do. So this has been the different types of siding for the manufactured homes, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any comments, please down below, hit the like button, and I really appreciate it, and I'm always open to feedback, love feedback, can't get enough of it. So please leave me comments, like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks.